Down and out. Excellent work.
Terminating EPM operation.
Enemy UAV is online.
Marking field upgrade.
Uva estamos win. General.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. 25 remaining. Hostile UAV in the area.
Hostile shooter.
Break.
Aguinaldo calling in UAV.
Break, bro.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Hadi kes gidiyorum. One on the left side, bottom. Another one.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Breakdown's over.
Enemy UAV overhead. Orders of the hack contract. Your cancellation. Loadout drop headed your way. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. You have reinforcements inbound.
Hungry.
Rifle redeployment.
Wait for one. Visual on enemy.
Locate available contracts to hack.
Jesus.
Bro, I'm finna quit. It's true, man. He one shot right there, though, yeah.
Marking target location.
Olha aí, gatinho agora, né? Serious feet. Star gun looking ass motherfucker.
Contract time's limited. Activate hacks.
Guys, we're not falling to up that again. New squad in the area, bro. I repeat, new squad in the area.
Five squads still operational in the AO. Close up the next contract. Go on.
Moto chết đâu đâu.
You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. You have reinforcements inbound. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Supply box is located. Booster secure.
Requesting UAV task.
Supply box secured. Move to the next one. Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in. 2 supply boxes secured. 1 remaining.
Nhớ là bạn biết nữa. That's a level phone in my brilliant. They're lagging there as you load out now, Made nothing. Insurance. Whew, another load? Yo, bro, we're going crazy in this bitch. Hey, who the fuck threw that shit to me, bro? Hey, people right there on the tower. 1 guy. 2 guy. One on me, one on, hey, on top. Oh, bottom, yeah, kill their ass, bro.
Got an extra valuable opportunity here.
Oh, that's my kill, bro. Let me get it. Hey, that's your kill. Hey, 강도 나 어스프레 가미 저 뭐냐래. Le, sto gastando in luogo in super. Adi. Walang. Right. Oh. Make poor control. Control. Make poor wing. I'm about to get me to get hard.
Tackle. LBB on my mark.
Teka, kailangan siya ligay. Ligay with pila por ahí.
Rick.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Alo ba lang? Magkano na ba wala? Alo nga wala.
Ayun ya, we need Allah, I'm telling you again. Bang. Mayroon nga baga. Yes, fucking name. Tá bom, pode me... Uma tipo aí, eu falo que os... Cohesion.
I got 2G kung kanila yun siya.
Ai, belele. Making. Nice. Hey. Damn, motherfucker.
The most relaxing game of 2025.
No idea what it does. It takes 5 seconds.
The glacier, oh, it's like you have the glacier helmet.
Wait. What's the biggest green flag?
Enemies are dropping into the area.
All stations, green line. We're deploying to the war zone. We've got 10 squads active. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in time.
Stronghold. And then control.
Enemies dropping into the AR.
What?
Supply boxes. Secure those locations.
Wala, jadi gas ka na look. Get the fuck down, little boy.
Enemy soldier incoming. One supply box down. 2 remain.
Hey, we got one guy right here. I'm sniping right now. Hey, oh, fuck. Chắc là uống là cũng về cũng AFK.
Supply box is found. Get ready. You're redeployed.
لكن والله توصلش ما ظلت والله انت ما ظل.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy sentry is active. Visual on enemy.
Prick. What? Question, what are you thinking, bro? Lass ihn go fair. Question. Binjing on go fair.
Secure the supply boxes. Locations are marked on your tag.
Hey, he's shooting at me, bro.
Confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Not long.
Safe zone.
Yes, ko wala yung luto. MW. Oh no. Estamos de nós jogo, né?
Go get your revenge.
Hey, what's that?
Enemy sentry. Go get after it. Contact failed. Stand down. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Fuck.
During contract timeline. We're returning you to purpose. Enemy UAV online. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. You made the top 25. Well done. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Hostile shooter. Eyes on enemy. Never mind.
On the sky.
safe zone. Gas is closing in. Friendly loadout. Drill charge out. Additional contracts online. Hostile shooter. Eyes on enemy. Precision airstrike available. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusting.
Got you, Gershon. You see that?
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile shooter.
Madlangan.
Hostile UAV in the area. Surgeon's window is empty. Watch the signal. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Visual on enemy.
Malu. Yeah, stop right.
Got you right now.
The safe zone. Leave no one behind. Enemy UAV overhead. Need gas on my grid. Hostile UAV in the area. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Attule.
Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Contract failed. You lost the objective. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Enemy UAV is online. Five squads still operational in the AO. Eyes on enemy. Get to the safe zone. Gas is inbound. Enemy soldier incoming. Too close. Enemy UAV overhead. safer. Incoming LBVR. Gas moving in.
Ya muriale.
You were 1 of 5 remaining. Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off and keep pushing.
What the fuck? No hay res. Esa es la puta. Kami, kung balot.
Oh yeah,
Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster.
Sandal look pretty. This one looks pretty.
Bounty targets are KIA. Enemy soldier incoming. You have reinforcements inbound.
Nah, it's crap. It's trifling. Don't be lying. Don't be lying.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Another chance. Weapons free. Redeployed. Well done. Enemies dropping into the AR. Secure those locations. Back on station. Good work. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Aerial surveillance is up. Use your tac map to evade. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. You're in the path of incoming patrols. Get out of there. Hostile UAV overhead.
Can you get me? I'm down.
Marking the rest of them.
I'm gonna try.
Enemy has your location. It's all on you. You have reinforcements inbound. relocate. Hostile UAV over. Reinforcements inbound. Surveillance gang. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone. Recon you're compromised.
What? What, Jay?
Oh, mira aquí. Míralo, mano. Wow, man. Campeando ese mamal nacido ahí. Guacala ahí, guacala con mis almas ahí.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy hostile UAV in the area. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Go get your revenge. You still have squad mates outside the safe zone. UAV is online.
Bro, I was shooting that. I was in front of that nigga shooting this nigga, bro. I don't know how he shoots you, bro.
You guys share.
Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales over. Adjusting pricing.
Share.
Enemy dropping into the AR. Destroyed.
Blow that dude.
Resurgence is no longer active. This is the fix. Time for vengeance. You're redeployed. Your squad mates are redeployed. Well done. Bounty targets go down. We lost the contract. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky. Move to Stay alert. Head to the safe zone. Gas is moving. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile airstrike incoming. Only 4 left. LDBR inbound. Wait, a long way to your location. Move like you're ready. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Let's go. Only 5 remain. You were close. They hit us hard that time. Dust yourself off, regroup.